Si Bato, gumugulong na yun sa kanya.
Go ahead, make my day, Mr. Trillanes! Ikaw mismo magpusa sa akin.
Tansya ko rito, baka towards the end of the year, latest na is yung early next year, mga February, mga ganon. Kumaga, ano na yan, waiting game na yan. Yung kay Bongo, first quarter next year.
Nasa na po? Nasa na?
Kay Garma, she's in a safer place now and she will testify against Duterte and Bongo. At ito, critical yung kanyang magiging testimonya kasi insider talaga siya. She is basically a Las Cañas at the national level. Si Las Cañas is an insider dun sa Davao death squad, pero she was there during the formation of the national death squad. So very critical yung testimony niya.